Hi, friends, welcome back. Today, we're going to explore the names of different birds and animals together in English. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Let's get started. Blue jay. Blue jay. Bald eagle. Bald eagle. Crow. Crow. Robin. Robin. Pigeon. Pigeon. Parrot. Parrot. Peacock. Peacock. Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Cardinal. Cardinal. Seagull. Seagull. Sparrow. Sparrow. Falcon. Falcon. Vulture. Vulture. Pelican. Pelican. Canary. Canary. Turkey. Turkey. Owl. Owl. Macaw. Macaw. Cockatoo. Cockatoo. Albatross. Albatross. Heron. Heron. Kingfisher. Kingfisher. Magpie. Magpie. Swallow. Swallow. Puffin. Puffin. Starling. Starling. Goldfinch. Goldfinch. Gannet. Gannet. Hoopoe. Hoopoe. Myna. Myna. Yellow warbler. Yellow warbler. Lapwing. Lapwing. Thanks for watching, friends. I hope you enjoyed learning the names of birds and animals with me today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.